Good morning. One sandwich, please. I am standing in the train station.
At the train station. We say at, not in.
Oh, really? What is the difference?
At is for a point, a station, a door, a stop.
And in?
In is for inside something, like in a room or in a shop.
So I am at the station, but in the train later.
Exactly. You wait at the station, then you sit on the train.
At the station, on the train. I understand now.
Do you want sauce on your sandwich?
Yes, both, please. I am very hungry.
Waiting for the blue train?
Yes, it goes to the business area, right?
Every 10 minutes. It will arrive soon.
Thank you. This sandwich tastes great.
Best sandwiches at this station.
At this station, I will remember.
Here comes your train.
Perfect timing. Thank you very much. Hello? I want to send this bag, but it is very heavily.
Very heavy. Heavy describes the bag.
Oh, heavy, not heavily.
Yes, heavily is for actions.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, it is snowing heavily, but the bag is heavy.
I see. This bag is very heavy.
Let me check. It is 2 kilos.
Is that too heavy for normal shipping?
No, the limit is 15 kilos.
Good. I am sending it to my brother.
Where does he live?
In another city.
It will arrive in 3 days.
That is quick.
What is inside the bag?
Books, snacks, and a jacket.
That is nice.
He needs these things.
The total is $10.
Thank you. He will be happy. Hello. How many is the ticket to downtown?
How much? We use how much for prices.
Oh, how much?
Yes, how many is for countable things.
So, how much is the ticket?
It is $4.
And how many stops to downtown?
6 stops.
I understand. How much for money, how many for things?
Correct.
One ticket, please.
One way or return.
Return, please.
That is $7.
Great. Here you go.
You are improving your English.
I practice with my friend every day.
Good job. Platform 3, 6 stops.
Thank you. I will remember. Hello. Wash me car, please. My car. My shows it is yours. Oh, my car. Yes, me is for objects. Wash my car. I understand. Do you want full service? Yes, but not too expensive. No problem. My wife likes a clean car. Same here. Please clean my windows too. Good. You used it correctly. My car, my windows, my English is getting better. Yes, it is. The car looks very clean now. That will be $12. Thank you. My wife will be happy.
Hi, I want this plants for my room.
These plants. This is for one.
Oh, these plants.
Yes, because there are many.
These plants are very nice.
They are roses.
My room has sunlight.
Then they are perfect for you.
How often should I water them?
Every day, but not too much.
Okay, every day.
Do you want this pot or these bigger ones?
These bigger ones are better.
Good choice.
I am learning fast.
Yes, you are.
I will take them.
That is $15.
Thank you.
This library is quiet. Everyone are reading here.
Everyone is reading, not are.
Oh, everyone is?
Yes, everyone is like one person.
I understand now.
Everyone is here. Someone is talking.
Nobody is loud.
Perfect.
This tea is nice.
Yes. Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, I learned my car, not me car.
Good.
And these plants, not this plants.
We learn everywhere.
The city teaches us.
Everyone is a teacher.
I am improving.
We both are.
Hi, I want to borrow a scooter for 1 hour.
Sure, we have electric scooters.
1 scooter, please.
Do you need a helmet?
Should I to wear a helmet?
Should I wear? No to.
Oh, should I wear?
Yes, no to after should, could, or must.
Should I wear a helmet?
It is safer.
I will take one.
Good.
When should I return it?
Before 5.
Should I lock it?
Yes, always.
I understand.
Hi, I am wanting a discount on this bag.
I want, not I am wanting.
Oh, I want.
Yes, want is a state verb.
What is a state verb?
Words like want, like, love.
So I say, I like, not I am liking?
Correct.
I want a discount.
Good. This bag is 30% off.
Great.
It was $50. Now it is $35.
I want it.
Very good.
Can I try these jackets in medium size?
Sure, try them on.
These jackets are small too.
Too small. Too comes before.
Oh, too small.
Yes, too big, too small, too tight.
These are too tight.
Try this one.
This feels better.
Good.
Not too heavy.
Perfect.
I like it.
It is $40.
Not too expensive. I will take it. Hi, 2 tickets, please. We will eat dinner now.
You can say will, but going to is better for plans.
Going to?
Yes, for plans already made.
We planned dinner yesterday.
Then say, we are going to eat dinner.
And will?
For quick decisions.
I understand. Okay, quiz time.
Ready.
I am waiting in the train station.
At the train station.
This bag is very heavily.
Very heavy.
How many is the ticket?
How much?
Wash me car.
Wash my car.
I want these plants.
These plants. My turn. Everyone are busy.
Everyone is busy.
Should I to wear a helmet?
Should I wear?
I am wanting a discount.
I want.
These jackets are small too.
Too small.
We will eat dinner, but we planned it.
We are going to eat dinner.
Perfect.
You got all correct.
We learned a lot today.
The shop, the station, the street.
Everyone was our teacher.
Everyone is a teacher.
Tomorrow we learn more.